Today we will discuss about mathematical tools which has great importance in kinematics. Mathematical tools. मैथमेटिकल टूल्स में हमें चार चीजें स्टडी करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज फंक्शन, सेकंड डिफरेंशिएशन, थर्ड इंटीग्रेशन एंड फोर्थ वेक्टर. इन चार चीजों का यूज काइनेमेटिक्स में आएगा. तो हम एक एक करके इन चारों की स्टडी करेंगे. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द फंक्शन. So firstly we will see what is function and what is the definition of function. So function is it is a type of relationship. It is a type of relationship. Function is a type of relationship between two variables. Between two variables. Function is a type of relationship between two variables in which one variable is called dependent variable. And one variable is called dependent variable and the other is called independent variables. Independent variables. So what is function? Function is a type of relationship between two variables in which one variable is called dependent variable and the other variable is called इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. ये रिलेशनशिप है फंक्शन दो वेरिएबल्स के बीच का. एक वेरिएबल को डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स कहते हैं और दूसरे को इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, द इंटरेस्ट पेड ऑन a cash investment. The interest paid on a cash investment depends on the length of time. The interest paid on a cash investment depends on the length of time the investment is held. The investment is held. यदि हम कैश को इन्वेस्ट करते हैं इंटरेस्ट पे, तो कैश जितने ज्यादा टाइम के लिए इन्वेस्टेड होगा उतना ही ज्यादा अमाउंट interest amount received होगा. The interest paid on cash investment depends on the length of time the investment is held. So here time is the independent variable Here time is the independent variable and interest paid is the dependent variable. अगर हमने इन्वेस्ट किया कैश को इंटरेस्ट पे, तो यहाँ पे एक सर्टेन टाइम के लिए, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो वेरिएबल्स हैं, एक वेरिएबल टाइम हुआ और दूसरा वेरिएबल हुआ इंटरेस्ट पेड। मोर टाइम के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, मोर इंटरेस्ट पेड होगा, लेस टाइम के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, लेस अमाउंट इंटरेस्ट पेड होगा। मीन्स वी हैव टू वेरिएबल्स, one is time and other is time is the independent variable and interest paid is the dependent variable. इंटरेस्ट कितना पे होगा ये टाइम पे डिपेंड है। सो इफ टाइम इज represented by x and amount of interest paid is represented by y, then there is a relationship between x and y. Then there is a relationship between x and y, or we can say that x and y are interrelated, or in terms of function we can say that y is a function of x. In terms of function we can say that y is a function of x. So we have two variables x and y. X is the time and y is the interest paid, and y is a function of x, and mathematically it is given by y equals to fx. Y is a function of x. There is a relationship between x and y, and all possible values of x are called domain. All possible values of x are called domain, and all possible values of y are called range. There are two variables x and y. X is the variable time, y is the variable interest paid, and they are interrelated. So y is a function of x, y equals to fx. All possible values of x are called domain, and all possible values of y are called range. हम इसे इस तरह से भी अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं। x fx input output, x fx input output, and input all possible values of x is called domain, and output all possible values of fx or y is called range. Thus, f is a kind of machine. Thus, this f is a kind of machine. F is a kind of machine that produces F is a kind of machine that produces output value, that produces output values in its range, in its range, when input x is given. You can understand function in this way also. This is a kind of machine f. This is an input, we give input, and it is called domain, and machine produces fx in terms of output, which is called range. So f is a kind of machine that produces output values in its range when input x is given. When input x is given, the value of x is given. So this is about function. फंक्शन में और भी डिटेल है, बट इन मैथमेटिक्स वी हैव टू स्टडी. इन फिजिक्स ओनली हमें इतना ही अंडरस्टैंड करना है. लेट अस सी वन और टू मोर क्वेश्चंस ऑन फंक्शंस. सपोज देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. अ फंक्शन fx is defined. Function fx is defined as fx equals to x square by 3. fx equals to x square by 3. There is a function given by fx equals to x square by 3. We have to find f naught. Then find f naught, second f of 1, third f of x plus 1. We have to find f naught, f1, f of x plus 1, and fourth f of. Let us see how to find. In question we have given fx equals to x square plus 3. For finding f naught, put the value of x at 0. So 0 square 0, 0 plus 3, which is 3. So the value of x is 0, then the value of fx or y is 3. Now for finding f1, put the value of x as 1. 1 square plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Similarly, fx plus 1, put the value of x as x plus 1. So x plus 1 the whole square plus 3. Solve this. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus 3, and this comes x square plus 2x plus 4. Now we have to find f of f1. So firstly we will solve this bracket. So f of f1, we have to solve f1, and already we have find the value of f1. Already we have find the value of f1. The value of f1 is 4. Again we have to find f4. So put the value of x as 4. So we get 4 square plus 3, which is 16 plus 3, and which is 19. Second question. The function f of r is defined as function f of r is defined as f of r equals to 2 into r minus 1 plus 3. This is the function defined in terms of r. F of r equals to twice r minus 1 plus 3. Find f naught, second f of 3 and f of x plus 2, f of x plus 2 and 4 f of x plus 2. In the same way, we are given the function f of r. F of r equals to twice r minus 1 plus 3. For finding f naught, put the value of r at 0. So 2, 0 minus 1 plus 3. It gives minus 2 plus 3, which is 1. The value of f naught is 1. For finding f of 3, put the value of r as 3. 2, 3 minus 1 plus 3. 2 into 3 minus 1, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7. For finding f of x plus 2. So 2, at the place of r we have to put x plus 2. X plus 2 minus 1 plus 3. So this becomes twice x plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus 3, which is 2x plus 2 plus 3, which is 2x plus 5. Twice x plus 2 minus 1, x plus 1 plus 3, 2x plus 2 plus 3, 2x plus 5. Now fourth, f of x plus 2. So already we have calculated the value of f of x plus 2. So I directly write down the value of f of x plus 2, which is 2x plus 5. Now at the place of r we have to put 2x plus 5. So this is 2 into, at the place of r, put 2x plus 5 minus 1 and plus 3. So this becomes 2 into 2x plus 4 plus 3, and this is 4x plus 8 plus 3, which is 4x plus 3. So this is what about function. In the next class we will study about the derivative of